TikTok banned her entire account for trying to warn us about what this whistleblower was saying in his videos about bone health and joint pain. Listen very carefully because I don't know how long this video is going to be up.
The absolute best vitamin for arthritis, and I'm not talking about vitamin D. Vitamin D is great, but there's something else that's amazing. I stumbled on this by accident. I was taking this vitamin. I never took it before. Go to sleep, wake up, and I just noticed like all this stiffness that I would normally have because of all the injuries to my spine. It's like someone put WD-40 in my joints. I'm like, why am I feeling so loose? Specifically in the mitochondria, and it's a precursor to this molecule called NAD. NAD is kind of a helper molecule for turning food into energy like ATP. And NAD is involved in over 400 different genes. So it's a really important molecule. And I'm going to talk about first what happens when you're deficient in NAD. All right, number one, you're going to have low collagen repair. Number two, you're going to have inflammation. Number three, you're going to have fatigue because you're not going to be able to make energy. Number four, you're going to have muscle pain, muscle weakness, and even loss of muscle. Number five, you'll have metabolic diseases, right? And that could range anywhere from diabetes, Alzheimer's, even cancer. Next one is aging faster than you should, because if you can't repair the DNA, you're going to age faster.
And I did some more research on what he was talking about, and it turns out that NAD is actually one of the main molecules that's responsible for our aging process. You have lots of it when you're younger, but as you age, your NAD levels decrease. That's why people start to see deep wrinkles in the face. They start to have joint pain in their hands and in their knees, and they even start to feel way more fatigued as they age. Dr. Berg does go on to say that there are ways to raise your NAD levels, but you have to do it the right way. Because a lot of people thought that the only way that you could raise NAD levels was by doing an NAD IV, because that's what all the celebrities are doing. But really, you're able to actually raise your NAD levels by supplementing a certain vitamin, like he said. Found the vitamin that he was talking about, and it's called NR, nicotinamide riboside. It's a precursor to NAD, so as you take this, it converts into NAD in your body, raising your NAD levels. Guys, this has been a true hack to my anti-aging journey. I'm 37 right now, but how old do I look? I look like I'm still in my 20s. There are some things that you have to know before you grab this. Make sure that it has resveratrol in it, because that's an antioxidant that helps with the uptake of NAD in your system. Also, make sure that it says it's from Reus Research, because this is the best brand on the market right now, and it's the cheapest right now. They're the most trusted on TikTok Shop right now. That's why they've been always sold out. And before I grabbed these, I made sure I looked at the reviews, and you guys, nothing but 5-star reviews and positive reviews with people saying this has actually changed their lifestyle. If you're looking to anti-age and you're looking to anti-age correctly, I'm going to leave the link for these right here in the orange cart. If you see they're available, I would run to the TikTok Shop and grab like 2 bottles, because this deal is not going to last.